Hey guys, today I'm making lofi beats for my music. If you want to learn how to make lofi beats or rhythm, this video is for you. Please watch till the end. Friends, I have here three sounds: shakers, clap and kick. You can put every second beat this shaker. This sound like this. And you can go on note grid and make some variations. You can play with notes, okay friends, and always make the beat on 4 bars. Second one is clap. One time is enough on every beat, every bar. Sorry friends. You can make variations on note grid. You can play with different notes. Friends, if you want to listen my lofi melodies and lofi beats which I made on G-Stomper producer app, because I love to make my music on this app. Friends, I'm giving the link in description box. You can check there. And put swing effect to your shakers and clap. It gives a natural lofi feel, and it's very important. Friends, these are the beautiful lofi chords. If you want to learn how to make lofi chords in simple way, I will give you on next tutorial. Friends, if you enjoy this video and you learn something, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share as well.